Welcome to my channel, Shopaholic Sammie. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button so you know when I post. I give you great sales, great deals, and cute finds. Now let's get into this Walmart spring try-on haul. First up is this cute blazer, guys. I got it in a small, very delusional. I just wanted to be fitted, but I probably would size up a bit just because I wanted to be able to button. But I love the color. It's very spring. The orange just gives a pop to my skin tone. I love it, love it, love it. It's from Free Assembly. I also got that same blazer in a checkered look. I'm not a really big fan of the checkered look, but I love these two colors together. The orange and pink just pop. Also $45 from Free Assembly. Next up is this flutter sleeve bodysuit from Celebrity Pink. I love this. It's a cute, like springy, picnicky. You could wear this out just on a like nice walk, stroll, date night, anything. It's just cute. Pair it with some cute jewelry. Yes. Then this mini sweater dress from Free Assembly. I actually love it. I love the color. It just is a cute little fit. It's bright, so definitely springy, Easter-ish type of wear. Just really cute. And I feel like tea party. But really cute and comfy. I got it in a medium. And then the same outfit, $34, but in a blue, like, checkered look. I don't like this one as much. It just shows all your bad spots. Maybe because of the light blue, the baby blue color. But still very cute. Then this top and bottom set from Free Assembly as well. The skirt was $22. The top was $30. It's cute, but I did not get this. I don't foresee myself wearing this outfit. It is cute, though. It's a little cute work outfit. I even tried it with just the skirt to see if I loved just the skirt by itself, but still, again, not for me. It just shows too many imperfections there. But they did have it in a pink and orange color that I liked. I didn't get to try it on because I was in a rush, but I might go back and try that one on and see if it fits better in a different size. That's all, guys. See you next time. Bye.